When I started my trading journey, I made every mistake in the book. And then I had the privilege of being mentored by Mark Douglas, author of Trading in the Zone and The Disciplined Trader. And so I'm going to tell you about the five mistakes that traders make in the light of that, my mentorship with Mark Douglas. And so it's going to be uh, really cool what we're going to share with you right now. Okay. So this is called the five mistakes that new traders make and how to avoid them. Lessons from my journey with Mark Douglas. And like I said, uh, Mark taught me that consistent, disciplined trading isn't about avoiding mistakes entirely. It's about learning from them and building habits that you set apart. And today I'm going to share those top mistakes I see new traders make and how you can avoid them using the lessons that Mark Douglas taught me when he mentored me. In fact, when I first met him, he wasn't cheap, he wasn't free, but the investment in him was very worthwhile. And you know, he passed away in 2015, and I'm glad I didn't pass up the chance of being able to work with this great man. Um, so Mark used to say trading is simple, but it's not easy. And he was right. Now, these mistakes are common, but they're also preventable if you approach trading with the right mindset. And so I'll show you how to not only avoid these pitfalls, but also turn them into stepping stones toward becoming a confident, disciplined trader rather than a typical trading gambler looking for the next big hit with no plan, right? And Mark often reminded me that over leveraging is the fastest way to lose money. It's tempting, especially when you're chasing big wins, but trading is a long game. He'd say that risking more than you can afford is like stepping into a boxing ring without gloves. And the fix, the fix is being able to control your risk, risking no more than 1 to 2% on your account, and also, this isn't about limiting your potential, it's about protecting your ability to keep trading tomorrow, right? So, research shows that traders who manage their risk effectively can achieve long term success, as evidence many experienced traders who adhere to strict risk parameters. In fact, Mark emphasized that a trading plan is your foundation. Without one, you're trading on emotion, not logic. He'd ask, would you jump out of a plane without a parachute? Then why would you trade without a plan, right? And the fix, define your entry, your stop loss, your take profit levels before you place a trade, then stick to it. Don't just change it because I'm going to move my stop. Moving your stop is like the kiss of death, right? A plan isn't just a guide; it's a shield against emotional decision making, right? And we want to avoid what Mark called FOMO, fear of missing out. A trader's worst enemy. He taught me that the market will always give you another opportunity, so there's no need to chase, right? He say the moment you start chasing, you lose control. And the fix is to have the patience to wait for your setups. And if you miss your setups, then you want to just let it go. Chasing will only lead to bad entries and unnecessary losses, right? You just want the patience pays, like this picture shows, that you want to just let the trade come back to you, right? And that way you remain in control. The moment you lose control and the market takes control, then you've lost not just control, but you will end up losing money too, right? So Mark drilled this into me. Risk management is not optional, it's your lifeline. He believed that managing risk is what separates consistent traders from gamblers. And the fix is always to calculate your position size and use a stop loss. You can't control the market, but you can control how much you lose when the market doesn't go your way, right? So when we go to mistake five, the lack of patience, Mark often reminded me that trading is a marathon, not a sprint, and new traders want instant results, but the market doesn't work that way. So, true success comes from allowing time for growth, embrace the journey, and be consistent. And then consistency in trading yields the best outcomes. And so you want to, another thing that Mark used to say, he said that patience isn't just about trades, it's about giving yourself time to grow. Okay. And that's very, very important to allow yourself to grow as a person emotionally, spiritually, physically, in a way in which you can, you're going to be dealing with larger and larger sums of money or more and more risk, or and your mind is going to grow and increase in capacity, just like you're lifting weights, right? You start off with a like 10-pound weight, and people are like, look at you whipping out with a set. But guess what? Then now you're doing like 50-pound weights, you build up to it. But if you start with 200 kilograms, you're going to blow your arms out, right? So commit to the process. Patience isn't just about waiting for trades. It's about giving yourself the time to grow as a trader. And success comes from consistency over time, and that will compound, as you take these steps, that they will start to compound, not just in your account, but also in your ability to trade. So to recap, here are the top 5 mistakes: over-leveraging, risking too much on a single trade, trading without a plan, guessing instead of planning, chasing the market, letting FOMO control your decisions, ignoring risk management, not protecting your capital, lack of patience, expecting instant success, and not being patient with yourself, right? So Mark Douglas taught me that every mistake is a chance to learn. Look at it as an opportunity. We can learn from our losers. Embrace your losers, because they can tell you so much about where you are, right? And how to get help. And avoid these, and you'll be ahead of the curve, okay? So again, to succeed in trading, you want to avoid those common mistakes, establish a trading plan, risking 1% to 2%, and use a checklist to help. And this is where our free gift comes in. So if you're ready to build discipline and avoid these mistakes, download my free beginner's forex checklist found in the description. It's the perfect tool to help you create better habits and stay consistent. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's build a community of disciplined and confident traders. And that's my goal, my purpose, my mission is to help men who are trying to trade, who have not had great results, to have great results, to be consistently profitable. That's my dedication. That's my mission. And so as you finish your trading journey, remember that trading isn't about perfection, but it's about consistency. And every mistake offers a lesson. Stay disciplined and focused on your growth for successful trading. Consistency in trading is not achieved overnight. It requires discipline and a commitment to learning from mistakes. Embrace the process of continuous improvement to become a successful trader. Stay disciplined and stay focused. Happy trading. And make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. What topics are you interested in me covering next? Type your suggestions in the comments below. Talk to you later. Bye.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!